Efise. Ebinu mu yadi ye sika jananka. Ankrofo no mu na yakwaye obo adwuma obo antia ye kanyem. Ne pese yakoro. Yakwasi okwasi ndia. Ne yati o masase no. Na be ya adwuma na yakwaye no. Ehwo tatua na ye de. Yati ye no. Me fra mo ba ha na mo church. Me hi obi ansem. Fra mo ba ha. Nyame pesa ye ye no. Enu anti na ma fra mo ba ha. Kukubaku. Kukubaku.
My wife.
Hello, my husband.
I think we have acquired a lot of land in this community.
Yes, it's true.
These debtors are not coming to pay us.
Yes, also.
I hope this one is not coming for long.
That's someone.
Jack Nancy.
Bring that check here. You are welcome.
That's someone. That's baby.
What is your name?
Pachomina could be the friendly.
A Jan Tum. What is that?
It's mosquito.
Do you walk along with mosquitoes on your body?
Yeah, so.
What brought you in my home?
You Pachomin Grand Bonnet, that's someone. Jadimi Bahini Nani say, Nansen Timmy, but Jumanina say I basa. Shinkosu ye, mammy. No more than say, yes, can you see a wook room hunty. A bound chance say, the Pejuma, and went in a miwai, that's someone. So we bring.
What kind of job are you looking for?
Oh, that's someone. Naming no cleaning say. We need you, Jabia. Let Macasabia me Pejuma be say. Yawo one with their family, and you may be a friend. My ready.
Okay. I have lands. I have animals. But I'll prefer to give you 4 hectares of land.
Mau, Benamiro, and your fire. Oh,
you give me 2 parts and you take 1 part. When the crops have grown, we'll share it into 3.
I told me that's baby. Say the okay, no, that's someone. But yes, I'm a that's someone.
You are welcome in my humble home again. You remember you came to me that you want to work. And because of my wife that convinced me, I accepted to take you. So I'll be relocating to my new place with my entire family. So this place that I brought you here today, this is where you stay and do all the farm work in my coconut farm that I've shown you. You have to work very hard. You give me 3 hectares and you take 1. You came to me that you want to work. My wife convinced me and I've given you a job. So I want to see your seriousness. And this material here, these are your materials that you use in my farm.
Okay. What can I say? Or doctor say what done a day at me. I will cook before now with that shaman. I said, maybe some panel saying, Ampa, we are nipa, we are there. Who are drink pa emanipa, and see, mean do him or that. No more. The old dear shaman, I said, maybe so no. May yes have prepared the amount.
In this community, I'm a very respectful person and humble. But don't take too much from me. Here you have everything inside. We have a lot of chickens. If you want to eat anything of your choice, ask my wife. They will give you.
Amount. That's someone. May that say, Nami will share.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome again.
Amo, the person may be sad. A dano, I will bet Mamma McQuarrie said, we may share a dano musi de musitia.
See how they made a good idea. Me, blue. I don't know. I was your penny of particular. Shed therefore. Etia could so and fear baby. One, I want you up. May your call come for you so was none of me, none of me one so. Was a young commoner. Yet the name of me out to come. Let's be because you have a cat to Shemaya. What's young commoner? Your coba is what? You won't be. Come for me, you know. Uko no hono so pede wase na nanu akeka ma no atum.
Na no kana no tum.
Uso na yo man you confront na wo
play
play
mu asam. E kana no tum.
He enyan ni emponchi aye.
Ah wo wie.
He me no mi no ahene yere.
Ahenie yare. Abusia, ko be ka kire wo. Na ye pam no.
Eno wan ma ka no.
Ye pam no. Ne ye ko fo ba hofro.
Na
Se de ba. Na so de fa wo de a. Jontu nana.
Kwanzi o se
Me say, se de oba ne ba. Na so wo de a. Jontu nana.
me fa so.
Se no en se na amen. Yen gada ko. Ho na opportunity.
Yen dabi.
Jontu nana.
Yen tina fufu ho mane na ye kwaye.
Nti ye metu nana.
Akunya we ye mane fufu he.
Dabi. Anko fa fo se. Jontu nana.
Nana nka sa no ye bote.
Ye tu nana. Enem nya ye betu nana.
Me kita kulei. Na wo de
Ye ka se mpunu a.
Samoa. Me eye ntuntum. Me hye wo bo se enya dia me di wafu e be di agro da.
Okay.
Aja se me je dwuma ma we hu se ampa. Sabi mpo predensa.
You see me? You see why?
Ya unya ni titi kura no. Me ye ma na broso.
You see why I grow every day? I started with this machine. I myself, you see, I can walk by myself. I come every day. I've thrown all these things.
Aja,
I fix it.
Aja,
you see, I work. I'm a very hard working man. So I don't play with my time. I don't play with my money.
Only how kura.
So work very hard in my farm.
Me ye bibia ma o kama.
Okay?
Why?
Okay.
Into the only.
When you come, I don't want to see this grass under my coconut, especially this one. You see this coconut here? Who's in here? A John Tuntum. Please come outside.
Oh. That's Samoa.
Oh, I'm not happy with you.
Can I pay the other?
When you came here that you are looking for a job, I offer you a job. Instead you are stealing me. I'll give you 4 hectares of coconut to farm and take one for yourself. The harvest that used to be done before is not the same harvest that is happening now. Every season is more than what you have done. You have been stealing me. Listen, when next time I'll be coming here, the money that you have stolen, or I don't know how many coconut that you have sold so ever, I want to see the money because I know the quantity of harvest that is coming out of my farm every season. So if I come again here, you don't give me, I'll send you away.
Oh, that's Samoa.
The 1 hectare that I give you, I'll take everything that you have planted.
Let me a John Tuntum. And send me birthday, I say.
I will go now. Wait for my report.
Oh, that's Samoa. Asamoa. Oh! Timinya days is here. Ha! Namo mika. Sa akromu ha. Mimo pia ho tori da. Sa me kwatro bi of afom ho a. Do nyame. Ada phone am ko mu e wo phone na. Ada. Me wa betra ase no. Yedi ade we dia jame no. Musole a. Na nkwasi ade muso makudwedwa me nyama basa. Awia che na fe abagina me so se. Me na me ye de. Me ye me ntutu me nyama ye. Ade na mu ye sa ade no. Na wo metro plan se gromu ha no. Yes, me na me dia jan tutu wo gromu ha. Na family dia bro sa. Pasapeni. Enso wo dia bo ribu ye. Ti mi enya dia me de wo be chew ne. Se wo be free hanu ma de. Akoti de biara da. Acha se. Pasia. Musole mo bo bra power gromu ha da. Nyama na mu bia. Na ma nti me ka wo. Metro plan se. Ene me na fa be jan tutu na.
Igani mutre nipa gura fronton from diwachi kete anu wasi dom ya di obeye ma menwe o kwa hwe ase ana ha nanti we na kiya boga wo be nanti wo hiri yire mimi wo gudo me yire nanti we na ka ade pompa bon da kimira pompa bon na nanti wo ti rigo wana me yire dey yan ka so twa ame ye fofore na so on saje afi na me isu nanti foforo no we bi enye na wona na ma nanti kurum aya hu hu se de woti nanti itiki abodwa ase na ka be nanti hey nana ima ayi de fatao ana na say me kire no kwaya obefa so ibodwa obe nanti eno anu no makunhu akwano o ye pa to say me ni sika na mra o ti o de na akunsu na no ba finish no ai nanti na madam chiri so we chiro enede minti mi nyama se kama nanom ya adoma ye china no pa e ko dia ko aba na mdia ma okay mate bi e hye ne wo nti na me kan mate impese ye beto na system bi a china ye ya kan mo na so ye ne pepe mate tu dia mesre kwa yo aba hima ene mesre kwa yo yo bye bijina Wochia, if I don't know what, a biso to watch your honey, we are what's a chairman. See, none is a mechanism. Yakuma, what you know, we are now almost at the minimum yet. I think I mean, Siano. So I said, all alone, all alone. Mama. Hey, Kukuda. Oh, come to Matthew. Hey. Chamiti anyina na mitu nyumo. Bijo musa na mitu mama. Oh,
Oh, there is a come up on what there. I shall my wife.
I'll drive me one more. Sure. No, I'll be more. I say, Michelle, I'm not going to see you. Come in, son.
Assemble.
Only me, yes. Only me, Bia. Only me, Nicosia. And now, I'm this and Charlie. So, yeah, now come on, door. Pacho.
Oh, what's the best me? And I will share it with you.
Sure. No, Papa. No, Papa, no more moving. Oh, but finish any worry.
What the men's right?
Sure.
You don't get
Oh, I can manage to keep it. Come. You are good. Just see the eye. Let me tell you what you are doing. Our reality is
fast. Oh, you see what Mr. Lynch, you're missing me. Let that don't know why. The rest here. Wow.
Now, who call you with the huh? Many workers have
what do you make us say?
I have an hour.
Me call him say, wow, shit. Then you have a new wabre, wouldn't you be no? Huh? Don't be aye. Sisi asasi ya dosu. Mama ji asasi nyina. Efie nso abafa di ni sato so. Shi ni hobium.
Say makwaji scampo men kwaje. Makwaji scampo aya walijaye. Eti say adwene be pa na da wuti.
Me ja ware.
Wu ja ware.
Me ja ware.
Wu ja ware.
Na di ya me ware. Me tumi nkosu enti na wo. Awu fi ya ko na segoma. Komo sese fi ya rekwe. Yamate wa yiti am no swade de ya mola. Make jifu pepe. Make pon wi bepo.
Tie me, wo so wa ja ware a. Mini how, mini amane, mini kwade na bia. Ba be hu wabusuafo no. Me de pepre bai. Me de hwentia bai. Me de mokwa sasa e kan ho. E na me de kapre e to so. Me hia sa ne ma no.
Sa.
Ansa na wa firi me nchen akọ. Enye sa. Obehu de hu.
Sa. O hia sa ne ma nanka. Uji sika no. Nka uji sika no. Nka wo de be kire me. Anka wo be ma me hu se waji sika. Aha, lokum la. Ah. Ah. Only we mo nya bi na me kan. 1 2.
Look at the edges. You see? I've shown you the coconut farm. Now we have a lot of pineapple. If you don't behave well, if I'm no more, somebody will take all these things away from you.
Father, don't worry. I mean, the gods have really blessed us. Now look at the plantation farm. It's really doing well.
That is why you are my only daughter. You need to be very careful. Whatever the kind of husband that you choose,
Yes, Father.
it matters to me a lot. My reputation counts. Look at how beautiful you are.
Yes, Father.
I want
What
you to
about the
behave well.
coconut farm?
Mr. Samuel.
Yes, the
How are you
coconut
doing
farm.
there?
Let's see by the end of this month, you can visit the coconut
Oh,
farm.
okay, Father.
Then you see how everything is moving.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
I went to your home so that you leave your home. So I'm chasing you. I saw you at the farm.
You went to my home.
Yes.
Look at this funny man, my daughter. How can I help you?
Oh, rich man. Rich man. I have your side so that you encourage me and sitting on this village throne. In this village.
Look at this one. You are talking of a throne.
The throne.
The throne that my friend is on it. You can't even eat well. Look at your mouth. You say you're a throne. Go and cut off these things and look neat before you talk about a throne, my friend. I won't discourage you. But there is one thing I'll advise you to do. Try to cut off those things.
Father.
My daughter, look at this man. You say you want to be a king. Are you from a royal family? Do you have the royal blood?
Sometimes, yes. Sometimes, I don't.
Sometimes. Yes, you don't know. You are even doubting yourself. Go and seek very well. You pray to God. I'll bless you with encouragement. It's good to visualize. Have big dreams to be somebody. Okay? I won't discourage you at all.
Yes, rich man.
I won't discourage you. Take my blessing and go. Hey, but Nanama,
Father.
why are the two of you making some signs? Do you know each
Father,
other?
Me.
Anyway, let's forget about that. Let me encourage you to be a king.
Yes, my rich.
My daughter, look at this man. He said he wants to become a king.
Father, don't mind him.
Oh,
I need your help